Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Hessier Wearable Smart Ring. Hessier NFC Ring inbuilt with rewritable NFC Forum Type 2 215 chip, can be used as NFC business card, automatically send link, fast connect to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, ECT. It is for most of Android NFC phone. Hessier NFC Ring is blank. User can download some free NFC read-write app, then you can program the function as you want. Hessier NFC Ring can be also used for mobile game which used NFC 215 chip after program. Hessier NFC Ring uses 360-degree omnidirectional sensing technology. The sensing effect is much higher than similar products in the market. Hessier is made of zirconia ceramic material, which is very comfortable to wear. Our second best smart ring is Colmo Tesla Smart Ring. Colmo Model 3 accessory smart ring is made of zirconia ceramics. We extracted the original Tesla Model 3 key card chip and put it into the smart ring accessory. The smart ring accessory can perfectly match your Tesla Model 3 and the smooth surface won't leave any scratches. Colmo Model 3 key card replacement is easy and convenient to use and fast access to your Tesla Model 3. All needed is just a simple touch. Never to worry about your cell phone is out of grid, out of battery, or don't have access to your cell phone. Colmo Model 3 Smart Ring accessory comes with multiple size options as 6 to 12 US size. Default look of your Model 3 Smart Key Ring accessory is 7mm width with T logo. We accept laser engraving customization service. We can engrave names, logos, and anything you want to your Colmo Model 3 Smart Ring accessory. Third choice in our list is Jacom R5 Smart Ring. Jacom R5 has the unique Tai Chi design of double colors on front and back sides, which is a new fashionable accessory. IC module feature equivalent to 213.56 MHz M1 IC cards, with card number and encrypted sector repeatedly modifiable. ID module feature, equivalent to two 125 kHz M ID or HID cards with card number repeatedly modifiable. NFC module features, equivalent to 213.56 MHz NFC smart cards which can interact with smartphones. Social sharing, use the Ring Touch to share social contact. Wireless USB flash disk, use Ring Touch to transfer any files, and each ring has exclusive 128GB storage space. Number 4 in our side is Brookertonsy Smart Ring. The black perimeter is matched with the mirror stainless steel inner frame, and the ultra-precision machining technology makes the frame very round, smooth, bright, beautiful and full of vitality. Whether you wear it yourself or give it as a gift to your family, friends, couples, lovers, classmates, this smart ring is the best choice. The third generation wearable artificial intelligence chip is used inside, and it is equipped with high-end self-learning sensors. According to the user's key strength, the feedback signal is continuously adjusted automatically through intelligent learning, so that users can get the ultimate experience. Super strong adsorption makes it easier to store energy. It can be fully in 30 minutes, the use time can be up to 12 hours, and the standby time can be up to 48 hours. Super waterproof ability, the depth of 5 meters under the water guarantees no water for 30 minutes. Even if you dive underwater, you don't need to take off the ring, the performance will not be affected, so when you wear the ring don't worry when you come into contact with water in the bathroom and kitchen. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best smart ring list is Cat XQ Smart Ring. Cat XQ Smart Ring that built-in IC and ID modules. 4 smart cards can be simulated at the same time: access card, elevator card, time card, parking card, membership card, shopping card and other IFID cards. The read-write process of IC or ID card module is the same as ordinary cards. Within the sensing range of the IC/ID module, it can be authorized or copied by the corresponding dedicated read-write device. The built-in NFC module can realize virtual call, scene notification, business card sharing, memo sharing and other featured cloud services. Ring compatible with iOS XS, XR, XS Max, 11 series, 12 series, 13 series and Android. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.